Plastic.
Asa yun na?
It makes us wonderful to just let this by. So let's tell us the stories of the Philippines.
You see here is our flag. Now, so for those who are hindi pa na aware, we are the Nocturnes. So what is the reference for our flag? Our reference here is the tarsier. So I think you are very familiar with the tarsier naman. The tarsier is one of the smallest species of monkeys, if I'm not mistaken. Now, why the tarsiers? First and foremost, it's in the name, the Nocturnes. Nocturnes meaning nocturnal, kumikilos sila sa gabi. So why is that? For us, the nocturnal animals represent also us human leaders. Wherein, kapag tayo may project or may commitment tayo, madalas ay late na tayo or else hindi na tayo natutulog. Tama ba? Another thing is, mapapansin natin yung big eyes ng tarsier. Tama? So the big eyes, for us, represents the observation of us, the student leaders. Wherein, na-discuss earlier sa atin yung inclusivity ng mga tao. No? So for us, nagpa-project na ng pag-observe natin. So ano ba yung mga needs ng mga nililid natin mga students? No? So and lastly, the fragility. No? So alam natin that the tarsier is small lang. So for us, it represents the fragility of us, the student leaders, the imperfection of us student leaders, and even though we still do our best to do our goals, to do our roles, that is all. Thank you.
Sino?
Let's go! Sige! Nice! Okay. Down. Sige, silent! Nice!
Okay, up!
Okay,
Nice.
wait. Okay, so, yeah.
Okay.
Nice. Baba, silent. Nice.
Okay, up.
Move. Yan, nice. Baba. Nice.
Up, up, up.
Up. Okay, wait. Okay. Nice. Nasa yung last. Nasa yung last.
Okay na. Meron pa. Nakikinig sila sa data action. Wala pa kami. Happy birthday to you. Bam. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Sige.
Hoy, ba't bukas naman?
Nakababa yung ulo. Huwag mo akong babasain. Nakababa yung paligid. Lay flat. Okay na.
Huwag kayong mag-plank kasi sipon nyo yung tao.
Pwede na ako pumatong. Biglang kita. Bakit pa kayo dyan? Timer!
Malakas pumatong yan. Go.
Antayin niyo matapos yung isa.
Dapat isa lang.
Antayin niyo matapos yung isa.
Go. Mabayat. Matama mga bigay. Go.
Grabe man basa. Babasa ko.
Go. Sige lang! Sige!
Ang saya mo ah!
Sige!
Kanta namin!
Happy birthday to you! Sige!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sige lang! Ay, mag-aaral ka! Sige ba? Konti na lang! Tatlo na lang!